Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into exciting leaks about the DJI Mini 5 Pro drone. If you're a fan of drones or just love to stay updated with the latest tech, this is the video for you. First, let's talk about the DJI Mini 5 Pro. This new drone is expected to launch in summer 2025 and will be the successor to the Mini 4 Pro. As the Mini 4 Pro will be 2 years old by then, the Mini 5 Pro brings in some exciting new features and improvements. One of the most anticipated features is the inclusion of LiDAR technology for advanced obstacle detection. This technology will make the drone much smarter and safer to fly, avoiding obstacles with greater precision. With LiDAR, pilots can navigate complex environments with ease, ensuring a smoother and more enjoyable flying experience. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is also rumored to have improved motors. These enhanced motors are designed to offer better performance, giving the drone more power and stability. This means smoother flights, better handling in challenging conditions, and the ability to capture stunning aerial footage with ease. Another key point is the weight limit. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to stay under 249 grams. This is important because, in many regions, drones under this weight limit don't require registration, making it more convenient for users. This lightweight design makes the Mini 5 Pro an ideal choice for hobbyists and professionals alike who want a high-performance drone without the hassle of registration. There are also rumors of a possible joint launch. The DJI Mini 5 Pro might be launched alongside the DJI Neo 2, adding more excitement to the event. This could mean we get to see not just one but two amazing new drones from DJI. In summary, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be an impressive drone with advanced features like LiDAR technology, improved motors, and a convenient weight limit. The potential joint launch with the DJI Neo 2 adds even more excitement to the upcoming release. We can't wait to see what DJI has in store for us. We'd love to hear your thoughts about this new drone and which features you're most excited about. Are you looking forward to the LiDAR technology, the improved motors, or the lightweight design? Share your opinions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.